So all you need to do is go into this document, which I've linked down below. There's also an audio file down below where our guys have done a podcast on this, if you just prefer listening to this kind of thing. But if we just go copy, we then just go to regular old ChatGPT and we'll paste this in. So we'll just remove the brackets here. I need help generating citation ideas for a birthday donut shop, and try and be specific. Now, we offer a service or product. We offer, and just go into detail, copy it from your website if you need to. Custom pink donuts with cats on them in Salt Lake City. We've worked with a few bakeries over there. So where unique factor about location. So for this example here with Salt Lake City, we could put, you can research online if you're not sure what is unique about your place, where the high elevation affects the dough. Can you suggest some high quality citations that will help us stand out? Now, the biggest problem when people research this is they'll just ask GPT, like, give me some citations, but you need to prompt it to understand that it can use live online data, else you're going to be using out of date stuff. So all we do is put on the end, research online if required, and then we just press go. And there you go. There is over a dozen citation opportunities, literally just like that I would have had to spend hours finding manually. And that is just prompt one.